Hi class, we are looking at vocabulary lesson 15. We have organisms, directly, affect, traces, vast, habitats, variety, species, band, and radiation. And we're going to go to our cards. The first one is organisms. Biologists study the organisms or living things on Earth. What does it mean? Organisms are living things such as plants or animals. What kinds of organisms do you see every day where you live? What does each one need in order to survive? So those are like any living thing is an organism. Directly. You can directly help the environment by planting trees. You can see results quickly. Something that happens directly happens right away with nothing or no one in between. If a problem is very important, why is it best for action to be taken directly to fix it? If it's a bad problem, we want to fix it directly, right away. Affect. Smog and smoke negatively affect the air by making it unhealthy to breathe. Affect means to cause a change in something. What are some ways that your actions can affect other people? Traces. Wash your hands thoroughly, or else traces of dirt and germs may remain. Traces are signs, clues, or evidence that something was there. Think about it. When you walk through dirt, what traces of your path do you leave behind? Your footprints? Vast. The vast desert stretches for hundreds of miles in every direction. Something that is vast is extremely large in amount and size or area. What words can you use to describe how vast the Pacific Ocean is? Oh my goodness, what words could you use? What other things can be vast? Forest. Habitats. Forests and oceans are types of habitats that support different plants and animals. That looks like the tropical rainforest. Habitats are natural areas where certain kinds of plants and animals live and grow. How do some animals get what they need to survive from their habitats? Variety. The rainforest contains a wide variety of animals and plants. If you have a variety of something, you have several or more than one from which to choose. Would you rather have a variety of ice cream flavors from which to choose, or just one? Species. There are many different species of sharks, such as the hammerhead. Another one would be like the great white. A species is a group of organisms that produces organisms of the same kind. What do animals of the same species have in common? For example, how are all dogs the same? How are they different? Banned. Littering is banned in many public places. People should dispose of trash responsibly. If something is banned, it is against the rules or against the law. What behaviors or items have been banned at your school? Radiation. Invisible rays of energy called radiation are produced by the sun and other stars. Radiation is the invisible transfer of energy by waves through empty space. How do we depend on the radiation of the sun to survive? And then I have that to show you. So we have habitats, environments that animals and plants live in. Species, a group of plants or animals that are alike. Organism, living things such as plants or animals. Traces, marks left by people, animals, or things. Vast, great in size. Directly, in a clear and obvious way. Affect, to have an influence on. Variety, a number of slightly different things within the same groupings. Radiation, energy in the form of rays or waves.